here it is. We have the whole setup here. So we have a EMF meter. We have a standard smartphone, Android. All right, we got the Z app pulled up. As you can see, we're gonna select frequency 35. It's a good frequency to do testing with anytime you're testing any kind of Rife machine or you're testing any kind of frequency testing. A lot of people who do these tests will test between about 25 and 45 is usually the best way. A lot of like formulas we use to measure sine wave and different things like that are all based around frequencies from about 25 to 45. So that's what we hit kind of middle of the road there. That's why we're using that frequency. So you can see we have our travel size Rife machine right here. This is the Electromedics travel unit. And then you can see right here beside it, we actually have our clinical grade Electromedics Rife machine as well. So we're gonna do the test here where we're gonna use just the phone to see if we get any kind of reading, electromagnetic field reading from using the phone. And here we go. I put it at the phone volume at 70%, which is, you guys can see the line there moving. That is what was recommended by Z app to set the phone at, or whatever you're comfortable with is what the way they word it. So as you can see, I'm gonna play. Let's see. Meter's getting nothing but background noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause it because that worries me. I don't want to damage my phone speaker. Like I tell everybody, this can damage speakers, is why I don't recommend it. All right, so Z app also says you can use your headphones. And you can hear it playing in there. Absolutely no change to the meter. The moving numbers over here, that's just background noise. You're getting absolutely nothing out of that. All right, so now I'm gonna unplug the headphones. And as you can see, I'm gonna plug in our travel size Rife machine. All right, and then I'm gonna play it here. And I'm gonna get the little magnet going. And as you can see, it's interacting with a rare earth magnet and it has shot the electromagnetic field over 100 mg. All right. That's a very, very good, very strong, very pure electromagnetic field that it is putting out in the frequency of 35 hertz. So now I'm going to pause that. And you see the magnet stops, the meter stops. All right, so now we're gonna look at the clinical grade unit and we're gonna see what it does with the meter as well and what it does to the magnets as we are here. So you can see I'm gonna select 35 once again. And then as you can see, both magnets immediately start jumping and you actually have a reading of almost 300 on the electromagnetic field meter. Now that's going to show that it has a much stronger strength and that it is a very pure sine wave that's able to go even further and basically encapsulate the room and knock out all the other noise in the air, which is all the other RF signal. And so this is what you want to see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pause this now. All right. So this is what you're gonna want to see on a meter if you're using electromagnetic field frequencies to help target cells in the body, which is based off Dr. Royal Raymond's Rife original work to target cells, to target tissue and other pathogens, things like that in your body to enable your body to be able to heal itself.